Hello, this is Monty with Country Living. I'm out here on my farm and we are going to take a look at and do a walk around on my Yamaha Viking. It's a 2015 model and I'll show you what I've done to it. Well, that's my Yamaha Viking, and I put a Badlands ZXR 3500 winch from Harbor Freight on it. I have got the Yamaha Wolverine front control arms lower on it, and on a Wolverine it will actually work, but it's got to be a 2015 to 2018 model. 19 models will not work. Our spec model only. It adds about 1.5 inch clearance on the front. I got 27-inch tires. Snorkel. Yes, it's a PVC snorkel, but it works. I've rode it in the creek. There's a creek right down the road from where we live, and it works. I've gotten the water all the way up to the bottom of the tailgate, and it works. No problems at all. Now I've got Super ATV lower control arms, which gave it another 2-inch lift in the rear. And so this thing will crawl over some rocks, go down the creek, and that's basically what I use it for. Yes, it's got a lot of mud on it, but it does everything that I need it for it to do. And I'll be adding a light bar on the front very shortly, and I will be posting some reviews on everything, on what I've done, and I'll be posting some reviews on it in the future on more things that I've installed on it. So that way, if you have any questions, you can please ask, make comments. But if you would, please like and subscribe. Again, this is Monty with Country Living. Thank you.